Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Microsoft Office 365 Developer Program error, code 41102. The error reads, "We are unable to sign you in with this account. The sign-in was unsuccessful." For details, see the Microsoft 365 Developer Program FAQ. As per our research, the error occurs when users try to log into their Microsoft 365 Developer Program dashboard but are unable to access their account. According to our research, this error happens when the account gets locked for some reason. It can also occur due to incorrect login credentials, browser issues, or missing two-factor authentication. Now let's move on to the possible fixes for this error. The first thing you should do is check your email inbox for any messages from Microsoft. Some users received an email stating that their account has been locked. So if you received a similar email, this means your account has been locked. But don't worry, as you can rejoin the developer program shortly. If you need more details regarding the locked account, you can contact Microsoft support. If you didn't receive an email regarding an account lock, double-check your login credentials. Make sure that you are entering the correct email address and password associated with your Microsoft 365 developer account. Also, avoid using any password manager or autofill feature that may store outdated credentials. If you are entering the correct credentials but still facing the error, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated cookies and cache files interfere with the login process. After clearing them, restart your browser and try logging in again. If clearing the cache and cookies doesn't help, try logging in from a different browser or device. Sometimes, browser-specific issues cause login failures, so using a different browser or device may resolve the problem. If the error persists and you haven't enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, consider enabling it for your Microsoft account. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and may help in resolving login-related issues. If you have tried all the given steps and still cannot log in, we recommend reaching out to Microsoft support and reporting the issue. They will be able to provide further assistance regarding your account access. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.